magical rain cloud. Pao is a chubby, soft-hearted panda who lives in a lush, beautiful forest. Flowers, birds, and tall trees surround him. One day, Max, a curious 10-year-old boy, goes exploring in the forest with his 8-year-old sister, Lily, and that's where they meet Pao. Pao is playful, adorable, and instantly becomes their friend. As they spend time together, Max and Lily tell Pao about a nearby farmer, Mr. Thompson, who is struggling to save his crops because there hasn't been any rain. Pao says, "Far away in this forest, a magical cloud is hidden. If we find it and pray together, the rain will fall, and in this way, we can help the farmer." Pao and the children decide to help the farmer. The three of them set off in search of the magical rain cloud, a cloud that can only be seen by those with pure hearts and sincere intentions. Along the way, they face many challenges, winding paths, riddles from the forest animals, but Pao's patience and wisdom guide them. Max is brave, Lily is clever, and together their friendship is extraordinary. At last, they find the great, beautiful magical cloud. Standing together, they make a heartfelt wish, not for themselves, but for the farmer. And then, the skies open and rain begins to pour. In that moment, Max and Lily realize that the true magic was in their friendship and in the journey they shared. Laughing and playing in the rain, they understand that helping others is the real joy, the real magic. Dear children, remember this: when we do good and help others, happiness enters our hearts too. That is the true magic.